SUHAPPY Waterproof Housework Oversleeve Elastic Cuff by SUHAPPY is one of the best sellers among baby absorption sleeves products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. The elastic cuff design is convenient to wear and provides comfort while having the decorative function. The polyester material is waterproof, smudge-proof and anti-dust, durable and wear-resistant, the good your helper in the kitchen. It can protect your sleeve and is easy to clean. There are 5 colors for your choose from at will. The many cartoon patterns are lovely and beautiful, suitable for all persons, especially for women features. Item type, cleaning oversleeves. Material, polyester. Color, as the picture. Size, 29.85 centimeters 11.41 34 inches. Weight, 35 grams. Pattern, black plaid, light red kitten, light gray love heart, light reed plaid, purple gray love heart. Water resistant, waterproof. Package, op bag. Package include 1 by cleaning oversleeves 1 pair. Notes: 1. Please allow 1-3 cm difference due to manual measurement and 3-5 G for the difference between different colors. 2. Due to the screen difference, the color may be a little different from what you expect. Please allow it.